Hey, what's going on, guys? Here Alberto. I want to make this quick video to show you the 7-minute sales machine. This is a product that just came out a few weeks ago, and this is pretty much about the CPA marketing. And here's the members area. So here you will find a welcome to 7-minute sales machine. Then you will find the method overview, and you click here. You will see the video of this guy. You can join his group, and this is pretty much a method overview. Here you will find how you want to be able to sign up for CPA networks. He's gonna show you in a 3-minute video how you can sign up into Max Bounty. You click there. Also the type of script that you can be using to sign up with Max Bounty, and also a few other networks like sign up to CPA grip here and sign up to CPA bill here. So other training that you're gonna be able to see is the monetization, how you're gonna be able to pick in CPA offers. Let me click there. So you're gonna see this is a 10-minute video. This is the right way to pick the right offers. Also how you can publish these offers on Craigslist, and another recap of the entire process. Here also you're gonna see 3 different ways to get traffic. You're gonna see the secret traffic number 1. He explained in a 9-minute video the process of how you're gonna be able to get that. Also secret traffic number 2, this is another video how you're gonna be able to implement a process to get traffic. And secret traffic number 3, as you can see here, it's a 6-minute video. Then the end is gonna be just a wrap up of the entire training and how you're gonna be able to use the Craigslist, the offers, and everything he showed you on the training. Also you're gonna be able to pick up some of the offers that you can use to get faster results. So you're interested, you click on the done for you. This is where you're gonna be able to pick his strategies with a done for you package. And also on the other link you're gonna be able to get advanced training, which means that you're gonna be able to get different strategies to make, want to have an advanced training. The limitless traffic and more training. Limitless traffic means that you're gonna be able to put your pixel into his sales page, and you're gonna get traffic for less price. And the license rights means that you're gonna be able to get this product and promote it with 100% commissions. And I show you how, because I have it right here. And let me show you, this is my 7-minute system. This is my link that I request, and here you click here. I have a bonus page right here that you're gonna get after you purchase this product. Let me show you how it's gonna look. Documents, and you can see that you're gonna get, if you purchase this product, from my link, the secret. Click here, see the 3-step process that big players use every day to create 10K a month. Also you're gonna get semi-new exclusive bonuses. The link reads lazy method. This is how you're gonna be able to learn to get and see and get more views in your YouTube channel. Other trainings, 0-hour work days start today, quit the 9 to 5 and work from your couch. Also free video, let me show you how you make 100 to 300 per day with this auto commission system. Also you're gonna get triple traffic bots, combines a unique profit method with cutting edge tools you can access for free to make consistent income with now upfront costs never before seen. And also you're gonna be able to get more training like the loss cut, commission funnels, commission shortcut, Done for Your Freedom. This is a 500 CPA network. Franklin Koski is a very nice training, and of course you can get a coupon to use on your Google AdWords on your Bing Ads account. As you can see here, I have it all for you ready to go, and some other things from my Mailet. And Velocity is not the actual. I think you can purchase this product from here, but it's up to you. All right, let me come back to what I was about to show you. I think it's okay right here. I click here. You get the 100, the license rights. The license rights costs 167, but I think in a down sale it's gonna cost you less. I think 97 or something like that. Oh, 67. You see here. You purchase this, you're gonna get 100% commission instead of 50%. You're gonna get 100%. So instead of making $6, you get 100. You make the 12.95. Also, from the 47, instead of making the about 20, 24, $23, you're gonna get 47. On the 7-minute system, don't for you downside, you're gonna get it for $37. Also the advanced trainings for 67, on a downside for 47. Also 7-minute system ultimate traffic package for 197, which means is the limitless traffic, where they're gonna allow you to put your pixel into their sales pages. And pretty much that's it. So I recommend to get license rights, get this training, and then look for this offer, 7-minute system, and request approval. And pretty much you can make some commissions like this one. As you see here, I have 6 commissions. Let me show you my Wire Plus account, and you see that I have 82 bucks. Let me click there so you can see this type of sales I have made in the last few days. So I have made sales for Chops Presso for 22, and on those products I don't have license rights. So bulletproof method, and as you can see here, I have somebody purchased this product and they got the downsell for number 3, the OTO number 1, and they gave me a pretty much nice commissions, and I got for 2 products with OTOs 82 and 59 bucks. The only thing is I have to wait for 29 days to get this commission approved from Warrior Plus, in case they submit when they want to get the money back, because all these products they give you 30-day money back guarantee. So if they request for refund for any reason, the product maybe they don't like it or they don't have enough value from the product, which I think is incorrect, because there's a lot of value. They put a lot of effort and work into this. So see you later and get my bonuses. Bye bye.